Hallo und herzlich willkommen zurück hier auf dem YouTube-Kanal Gwalex zu einer neuen Reaction, und zwar Daily Dose auf Internet. Es gibt 3 neue Videos. Ich habe ihm gesagt, wir reagieren auf 2. Gut, jetzt sind 3 draußen und ich sage, wir reagieren gleich auf alle, dann haben wir es gleich in einem Video alle 3 erledigt. Und ich beginne natürlich nicht mit den neuesten, sondern mit den ältesten vor 6 Tagen. Schauen wir uns dementsprechend
Hello
an.
everyone, this is
Somit let's
your
go.
daily dose of internet.
Gerne auch liken und wir wollen es in bester Qualität uns anschauen natürlich. Also
A
let's go.
scientist dropped a camera to see what was at the bottom of the ice in Antarctica.
Okay. Aha. Gut.
This cat hates taking medicine so much that
Katze.
she started putting her tongue at the roof of her mouth to block it. In case you didn't know, eyes are not solid in place. If you look closely, you can see how they move around like a bowl of jelly.
Ja. Okay.
Dad, it's time to go. We gotta go eat dinner. Oh, you're walking the dog. Okay, cool.
These YouTubers are twins, and they like to make people question their
Okay.
reality.
Hey, would you grab that drink? Hey, how are you, man? Good to see you again.
What is that red light above the new
Okay.
building that they're building?
Gut.
I don't see anything.
Hang
Is
on.
it like a helicopter in the distance or something?
No, let me turn the light off. I think it's too bright.
I don't see it.
This dog is trying to learn how ice
Oh
works.
Gott. Oh Gott. Oh.
This cat seems to have adopted this monkey.
Das ist eine Katze. Ach so. Da ist drunter ein Affe. Gut. Kostenloses
About a
Transportmittel.
month ago, an observatory discovered a strange spiral moving across the night sky. An investigation from astronomers found that this is gas from a rocket that launched earlier in the day.
It's like really sus. Oh no!
Listen to how these
yeah.
kids in this African tribe pronounce their names.
And what's your name, my man? Anpupu. And what about you? Wow. And what's your name? Yeah?
Ah. Gut.
These kids aren't afraid of bees anymore because their mom is a beekeeper.
Are you guys used to being in a swarm of bees?
Not really, but
You don't even seem to be fazed by it.
No. I've been here so much times I'm not scared of it.
You're not scared of the bees anymore?
No.
Well, that's good.
This is called
Okay.
bobbin lacing, and it's a traditional way of making lace.
Okay. Okay.
I found a really cool artist that thought of a really smart method.
Okay.
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys
Sicher.
again very soon. Later.
Leder, beziehungsweise gleich. Geht weiter mit dem nächsten.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Okay.
Oh my god! That's gotta be 50 plus pounds of fat lard. Oh! No, I did not. Just.
Babies have
Okay.
no understanding of object
Waren wohl
permanence,
zu
which
schwer.
means if they can't see or hear something, it doesn't exist, and this is a great example.
Charlotte is so excited about this coffee. She wants this coffee so bad. But when I put this coffee right here, she wants it, right? If I just cover it up, the coffee is gone. She has zero idea where it went.
This guy was really upset about walking into some wet cement.
Oh. Ja, was rennt man da durch? Sie ist abgesperrt und man rennt da dumm durch.
This teacher told his students that the
Okay,
only way
und
they could
dann
get extra
nochmal.
credit is if they walked on water.
Okay. Ich habe es jetzt noch nie geschafft, überhaupt auch nur 5
So my uncle and
Millimeter.
his friend made this next video, hoping that it would be good enough to end up on Daily Dose.
Oh man, it's frozen! Seriously? The TV's frozen too?
This is why you can't trust these kind of locks that you see in hotel rooms.
Gut. Okay.
A van drove through a video game store, but luckily
Okay.
nobody was hurt.
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
This is what a solar eclipse looks like on
Okay.
another planet.
Vor der hab ich
NASA's
Angst.
Perseverance rover recorded this video of one of Mars' moons passing in front of the sun. So today I found out that swimmers lift weights too.
Okay.
Hi, excuse
Nice.
me, I had an appointment for today. Oh, okay.
I had no idea that tanks had this kind of range and accuracy.
He's new. Ist neu.
Jesus Christ. That's right.
What in the Jumanji Disney movie is going on here?
Hi, bye. Gut.
These rescuers in Turkey were digging through rubble after the major recent earthquakes and managed to find a parakeet completely unharmed.
Tamam. Ver. Hadi bismillah, hadi bismillah. O bırakmaz hocam sen bana.
Today I found out
Oh.
that curly-haired pigs exist. In the 1990s, this breed actually almost went extinct.
Okay, noch nie im Leben gesehen. So hell. Okay.
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again
Ja.
very, very soon. Later.
Later. Beziehungsweise gleich. Denn es geht weiter mit vor 21 Stunden erst. Das ist mal sehr aktuell.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. So apparently wrinkly eggs exist. A chicken's egg can become wrinkled due to old age, stress, or because they're sick.
Okay.
So this has got to be the worst
Schaut trotzdem
delivery
komisch
driver of
aus.
all time, right?
Okay. Okay.
God.
This guy's PS5 completely melted in a house fire, but somehow still works.
Okay.
How many months?
Right now? 20 years?
So this is kind of sad
Okay.
and dystopian. This huge group of people were seen live streaming under a bridge in China.
Okay. Oh.
This guy found a rat inside his oven.
One of them ended up in our freaking oven. And so I turned it on 450 degrees for 45 minutes, and now our whole house stinks like rat. Burnt rat. I'm hoping dead burnt rat. It's dead.
You can shrink almost any plastic bottle by pouring boiling hot water into it.
Aha.
Wow.
So this cool toy is called a levy wand.
Nice.
This guy wanted to see what would happen if he played dead in front of his horse. This photographer has taken a picture of the New York City skyline every 30 seconds for the past 7 years. A photographer captured video of a waterfall in Utah going in reverse due to strong winds.
Okay.
I had no idea that giant rivers of lava could move this fast.
Ja, schon sehr, sehr schnell.
One of my subscribers sent me this video explaining that they have a hermit crab that loves to run on hamster wheels.
Oh, schön.
That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Ja. Gut, das war's dann mit dieser Folge, mit diesem Video hier zur Reaction von Daily Dos auf Internet. Alle 3 Videos sind natürlich unten in der Videobeschreibung verlinkt, genauso wie Social Media, und das Ganze nehme ich live auf twitch.tv/GwalexTV auf. Also da auch gerne vorbeischauen, Link dazu genauso unten in der Videobeschreibung. Wir sehen uns dann schon sehr, sehr bald in der nächsten Reaction. Bis dorthin, macht's gut, haut's rein. Ich bin dementsprechend raus und sag ciao.